To wrap up part 11 of this series on a 2001 Chevy Tahoe engine swap, you can see that I now have all 10 intake bolts started and screwed down in the holes. So looks like my custom-made back reverse tapping tool was a success. I thought I was onto something, but when I googled it, I found out there's already such a tool. It's called a back tap by Powerbuilt Manufacturing. I know they have 14mm, and it looks like they have 12mm and possibly 10mm. I didn't see any other sizes. Mine was a 6mm. So I might try it on an 8mm one day if I ever need to, but the 6mm device I made was a success. So, and here's the proof. I'm going to take each of these bolts back out and put them in the exact location, the intake, where they'll fit back in the same holes you see here. Because since I know these fit, there's no doubt that I can get it to go in there and stay. So this saved a lot of time. It's dark out, but that's just because I took a break for dinner. But this saved me from having to take these heads off, flip them over, tap them out from the bottom, put them back on with new head gaskets, new bolts. Probably about 3-4 hours worth of work. So all in all, this took about, I'd say, including making the tool, about 2.5, maybe 3 hours. But I was taking my time and want to do it right. So this tool worked out great. Thanks for watching.